Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of mind mapping and how it can transform your business decision-making process. Mind mapping is a visual thinking tool that helps organize information, generate ideas, and see connections that might otherwise go unnoticed. Whether you're tackling a complex problem or brainstorming new strategies, mind maps can clarify your thoughts and guide you towards smarter decisions. In this video, we'll explore practical ways to use mind mapping in business, from planning projects to solving challenges. Let's get started by understanding what mind mapping is and why it's so effective for business leaders and teams. Mind mapping is a technique that visually organizes information around a central concept. Imagine starting with a big idea in the center of a page, then branching out with related topics, subtopics, and details. This method mirrors the way our brains naturally process information, making it easier to capture thoughts and see relationships. In business, mind mapping can be used for brainstorming, project planning, and even analyzing data. By laying out ideas visually, teams can spot gaps, identify priorities, and collaborate more effectively. Let's look at how this simple tool can make a big impact on your business decisions. Power of mind mapping lies in its ability to mirror our brain's associative thinking. When you use a mind map, you're not just listing ideas, you're connecting them. This helps you see the bigger picture and uncover relationships between concepts that might otherwise be missed. In business, this means you can quickly identify opportunities, risks, and solutions. Mind mapping also encourages creativity, making it easier to generate fresh ideas and innovative strategies. By engaging both the logical and creative sides of your brain, mind mapping supports more balanced and effective decision-making. Additional lists are linear and can sometimes limit your thinking. Mind maps, on the other hand, are nonlinear, allowing you to branch out in multiple directions. This flexibility is especially valuable in business, where problems are rarely straightforward. With mind mapping, you can explore different angles, prioritize tasks, and adapt your plan as new information arises. This dynamic approach helps teams stay agile and responsive, leading to better decisions and outcomes. Starting a mind map is simple. Begin with your main topic or decision in the center of a blank page or digital canvas. From there, draw branches for related ideas, questions, or factors. Each branch can split into sub-branches, capturing more details as you go. Don't worry about making it perfect. Mind maps are meant to be flexible and evolve as your thinking develops. You can use colored pens, sticky notes, or mind mapping software to make your map more engaging and easier to read. There are many ways to create a mind map, from traditional pen and paper to specialized software. Digital tools offer features like drag and drop branches, color coding, and easy sharing with your team. Some popular mind mapping apps include MindMeister, XMind, and Miro. Choose the tool that best fits your workflow and team preferences. The key is to pick something that makes it easy to capture ideas quickly and collaborate in real time. Every mind map starts with a central topic. In business decision-making, this could be a challenge you're facing, a goal you want to achieve, or a project you're planning. Clearly defining your central topic keeps your mind map focused and ensures all branches relate back to your main objective. Take a moment to clarify what you want to achieve before you start mapping. This will help guide your thinking and make your mind map more effective. Once you've defined your central topic, start adding main branches for the key categories or factors involved. For example, if you're making a business decision, your main branches might include resources, risks, opportunities, stakeholders, and timelines. These categories help you break down complex decisions into manageable parts. As you add more branches, you'll start to see how different elements connect and influence each other. With your main branches in place, it's time to dive deeper. Add sub-branches for specific details, questions, or action steps related to each category. For instance, under resources, you might list budget, personnel, or technology needs. This process helps you capture all relevant information and ensures nothing gets overlooked. The more detailed your mind map, the more useful it will be when making decisions. One of the biggest advantages of mind mapping is the ability to visualize relationship between different elements. Use lines, arrows, or colors to show how branches connect or influence each other. This can reveal dependencies, potential conflicts, or opportunities for synergy. In business, understanding these relationships is crucial for making informed decisions and anticipating challenges before they arise. Mind mapping isn't just a solo activity, it's a powerful tool for team collaboration. Invite team members to contribute their ideas and perspectives, either in person or using digital mind mapping tools. This collective approach ensures a wider range of insights and helps build consensus around decisions. Collaborative mind mapping also boosts engagement and ownership, making it more likely that your team will follow through on action plan. In facing a tough business problem, mind mapping can help you break it down and explore solutions from multiple angles. Start by placing the problem at the center, then branch out with possible causes, effects, and potential solutions. This method encourages creative thinking and helps you avoid tunnel vision. By mapping out all possibilities, you're more likely to find innovative and effective solutions. Mind mapping is ideal for strategic planning. Use it to outline your vision, goals, and the steps needed to achieve them. Branches can represent different departments, initiatives, or timelines. This visual approach makes it easier to align your team, track progress, and adjust your strategy as needed. Mind maps also serve as a living document that evolves with your business, keeping everyone focused on the big picture. SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, is a classic business tool. Mind mapping makes it even more effective by allowing you to visually organize each category and see how they interact. Start with SWOT at the center, then branch out with specific points for each area. This helps you quickly identify patterns and prioritize actions based on your analysis. Mind mapping is a valuable tool for managing projects. Use it to outline project objectives, tasks, deadlines, and responsibilities. Each branch can represent a different aspect of the project, making it easy to see what needs to be done and who's responsible. This clarity helps prevent misunderstandings and keeps your team on track from start to finish. While decision trees are useful for mapping out choices and consequences, mind maps offer greater flexibility. Decision trees are linear and best for yes-no scenarios, while mind maps allow for more open-ended exploration. In business, using both tools together can provide a comprehensive view of your options and help you make more informed decisions. Mind maps are a great way to structure meetings. Use a mind map to set the agenda, capture key points, and assign action items. This keeps discussions focused and ensures everyone is on the same page. After the meeting, share the mind map with your team as a visual summary and reference for next steps. Risk assessment is a critical part of business decision-making. Mind mapping helps you identify potential risks, their causes, and possible mitigation strategies. By visualizing risks alongside other factors, you can prioritize them and develop more effective plans to address them. This proactive approach reduces surprises and helps your business stay resilient. Innovation thrives on creativity and the ability to see connections others might miss. Mind mapping is perfect for generating new ideas and exploring unconventional solutions. Start with a challenge or opportunity at the center, then branch out with wild ideas, potential partners, or new markets. This process encourages out-of-the-box thinking and can lead to breakthrough innovations. Clear communication is essential for effective decision-making. Mind maps make complex information easier to understand and share. Use them to present your ideas to stakeholders, explain strategies, or train new team members. The visual format helps everyone grasp the big picture and see how their role fits into the overall plan. Data analysis can be overwhelming, but mind mapping helps you organize and interpret information more effectively. Use a mind map to break down data sources, key findings, and implications for your business. This approach makes it easier to spot trends, draw conclusions, and make data-driven decisions. Marketing strategies often involve many moving parts. Mind mapping helps you lay out your target audience, messaging, channels, and budget in a clear visual format. This makes it easier to coordinate campaigns, track progress, and adjust your approach as needed. Mind maps also help you see how different marketing elements work together to achieve your goals. Understanding your customers is key to making smart business decisions. Use mind mapping to organize customer feedback, segment your audience, and identify unmet needs. This visual approach helps you spot patterns and develop targeted strategies that resonate with your market. Allocating resources efficiently is a constant challenge in business. Mind mapping helps you visualize where your time, money, and people are going. By mapping out all resources and their uses, you can identify bottlenecks, reallocate as needed, and ensure your business runs smoothly. Change is inevitable in business, and managing it well is crucial. Mind mapping helps you plan for change by outlining the steps, stakeholders, and potential obstacles. This approach ensures everyone understands the process and their role in making the transition successful. Training and development programs benefit from mind mapping by making learning objectives, content, and outcomes clear. Use mind maps to design training sessions, track progress, and ensure all key topics are covered. This keeps your team engaged and supports continuous improvement. Setting and achieving goals is easier with mind mapping. Start with your main goal at the center, then branch out with milestones, resources, and action steps. This visual plan helps you stay focused, track progress, and celebrate achievements along the way. Like any tool, mind mapping comes with its own set of challenges. Some people may find it hard to get started or feel overwhelmed by too many branches. The key is to keep your map simple at first and add details gradually. Remember, mind maps are meant to be flexible and can be revised as your thinking evolves. To get the most out of mind mapping, use colors, images, and keywords to make your map engaging and memorable. Keep branches short and focused, and don't be afraid to rearrange or combine ideas as you go. Encourage your team to contribute and revisit your mind maps regularly to keep them up to date. Mind mapping is a versatile and powerful tool for business decision-making. By organizing your thoughts visually, you can clarify complex issues, foster collaboration, and make smarter choices. Whether you're planning a project, solving a problem, or setting goals, mind mapping helps you see the big picture and act with confidence. Start using mind maps today and watch your business decisions become more effective and impactful.